Hello MVP, here's a quicker video on how to find your IMX IMR score for your swimmers. Just go to usaswimming.org, underneath times, go to virtual offerings, you're looking for IMX IMR. You'll have just a quick explanation here what each one is. IMR is essentially to get you ready for IMX. IMX is the quote-unquote longer distances of the strokes, and it is broken up by age group, so you can see where it's at. For an example, if you're looking at IMR, you have 100 IM for short course yards or 200 IM for long course meters, and then like 400 free for long course and 500 free for short course. That's just kind of definition in what each, if you're an IMR, what events you need to swim in that season to get a score. IMX, again, what events in that season. It's by season, not total time. So within that season, completing each of these events. If you want to go down to IMX and IMR dashboard, you can select, once you're on here, IMX or IMR, you can click the arrow and select the season. Click the arrow and select your gender. LSC, we are Indiana, so you would just select Indiana here to compare just to Indiana. Zone, we are the central zone, so that way you can compare yourself to all the swim clubs within the central zone. And then age group, select your age group as you go through here, and it'll compare to that age group. What I'll do is, so once you're here, you'll select, Indiana swimming, and then you will see here all the rankings for each kid within our LSC. So you can just scroll down and find your swimmer on there and what their score would be. We'll just pick this Yizing Carmel. He's 14. These were his times in long course meters from this year, what his points were, the date that he swam them, and the meet. So you can kind of see what that is. If you do, so that's IMX. If you do IMR, same thing. Within Indiana Swimming, select the name, their times, their points, where they're at with that. On this chart here, we look at this William Allen, a 15-year-old from Carmel. This is his total score right here. This is where he ranks nationally within our zone and within the state of, or LSC, or the state of Indiana, where they rank. If you wanted to go more specific to certain age groups, we'll just do 16. You can see here now it's all 16-year-old male and females and where they rank within the state. But that is your IMX, IMR score and details.